Okay, business algebra, just to wrap up, even though Q, as a reminder, is 26.67, this is really 26.67, again, in thousands. So if you move the decimal place 3 times, it would be 26,670 units demanded at a price of $40. Find the price and demand if demand is 32,000 units. So again, if there's 32,000 units, that means Q is really just 32. So price equals 60 minus 0.75 times 32. 3/4 of 32 is 24. 60 minus 24 is $36 per unit. Find the quantity supplied if the price is $51 per unit. Now we're dealing with supply. So $51 per unit equals 0.85 Q divided by 0.85. 51 divided by 0.85, Q equals $60, not $60, 60,000 units. So if the price level is $51, they're going to produce 60,000 units, which is probably more than they can sell because they make good profit if the price is high. Now find the price per unit if only 20,000 units are supplied. So again, price is 0.85 times Q, but Q is in thousands, so Q is only 20 here, which is $17. So if there's only 20,000 units, which is clearly less than 60,000, it's because the price level is lower here. Now it says find the price and number of units produced at equilibrium. Okay, and price at equilibrium is when the demand and supply are the same. So we can set our two equations equal to each other. $60 minus 0.75 Q equals 0.85 Q. Add the 0.75 Q to the other side. We get 60 equals 1.6 Q. Now you ask yourself, how many times does 1.6 go into 60? You're not sure, but remember that if you want to move a decimal, you can multiply everything by 10. So 600 equals 16Q. This might be easier. So Q is 600 over 16. We can reduce 300 over 8. Still even, so we can go to 150 over 4. $150 over 4 reduces to 75 over 2. Now, finally, this we should be able to divide. This is 37.5. Now 37.5, remember this is Q in thousands, so Q is 37,500 units. Price, if I want to find the price, remember the price, it's in equilibrium, so the price is the same for both equations, as is the quantity demanded. This is an intersection. So all I have to do is plug in 37.5 into either equation. It's probably easier to plug it in to the second equation, so 0.85 times 37.5. And you can do your math over here if you want. 37.5 times 0.85. 5 times 5 is 25. Break out the old school, carry the 2. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2 is 37, carry the 3. We have 18, 0. 8 times 5, 40, carry the 4. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 4 is 60, carry the 6. And that's 30. 3 numbers behind the decimal, as a reminder. So it's 1.875 plus 30, so this is probably $31.88 if we're rounding. So our equilibrium price is $31.88, and they produce 37,500 units. This is all for 3.3.